Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and today's video is going to be a Glam AF back to school makeup tutorial. And I'm very excited to say that this is going to be in collaboration with another YouTuber, okay? And she's giving that black girl magic, so sprinkle some of that on there. So make sure I go check her channel out. Her name is BadShay, and I will link her down in the description box, the link to her channel, and I will link the direct link to her video down below. But if you are interested in seeing this glam look to go back to school, or matter of fact, wherever you going, then make sure you stay tuned to my video. And if you're interested in seeing the more neutral toned down look, then make sure you go tune into her video. But without further ado, let's just get into it.
I tell her I got her with pride or intuition.
You be someone I can hide my fears with, and if they got us on the run, we could still chase our dreams. Black money.
Honestly, I already got one eye done. I don't even want to tell y'all what time it is when I'm filming this. That is not important. I did not put my lash on yet, but I will put that on, you guys. So first, I'm going to start off by priming my lid with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. And I'm also going to use that to clean up under my brow. Now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and go into the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I'm going to be using this palette for the whole look today. And I'm going to take this shade Peaches and Cream and this shade Peach Butter and place that on my brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking this shade Peach Cobbler and placing that as my transition with my Blend Beauty brush that I got on my Ipsy bag. That color is so pretty. So then I'm going to take this shade Peach Tart and place that in my crease as well, just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm gonna blend that out. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, so on my outer corner, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade Chocolate Dipped and just pack that on my outer corner. Okay, I'm gonna blend out those edges. And then for the inner part of my lid, I'm going to take this shade again, Peach Cobbler, and this shade, Peach Tea. And I'm just packing those shades on, not swiping. I'm just going to blend all those shades together so it's no harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my wing on with this, what is this? The Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. It's in the brown one. And I'm going to place my wing down first, and then I'm going to put some brown shadow over top of it. Okay, so the eyes are done for right now, and I'm going to go right into the face. So first, I'm going to moisturize. That is important. If you want to have your makeup on all day at school and you want to stay looking flawless, you gotta make sure everything is bomb. Okay? Bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Maybelline Master Prime, the blurring primer, and mainly focus that right in the middle area. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is my NARS Naturally Radiant Foundation, and this is in the color, I think it's Bellum. Yeah, I know, I really don't know. You just shake that up. Put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And I'll blend that out with, and I'm going to blend that out with my NYX foundation brush. If you need a little more coverage for whatever reason in any place, you can go ahead and take a concealer that is the same color as your skin tone, or you can take some more foundation and just place it in the areas where you need a little extra help. Because for me right now, it's around my mouth and my nose. So I'm just going to blend that out. And for concealer, just to highlight, I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer in the color Caramel. And I know the foundation was a little more on the pricey side, but you don't need to use a pricey foundation. Foundation is just something that I tend to not mind spending the extra money on. Any foundation is fine. Any foundation that you like is fine. I did not mean to start blending this out with my brush, but then it just... So I'm not going to cream contour today. I'm not, I know, shocker. I'm just going to set my face with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my ColourPop bronzer in the color Rodeo, and I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks. I'm going to add some blush, and it's the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Satin Blush in Birthday Suit. And I'm going to take my fingers, because I read that it's better when you take your fingers, rub it in there. Oh God, this is so soft. And then I'm going to highlight with the Kiss Professional Halo Strobing Highlighting Palette. And I'm going to take the bronze shade. Again, don't judge me. This is just, if this is what you want to do. You don't gotta do all of this. You don't. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and I don't really know what lashes these are. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Belle Matte Lip Cream, and I'm gonna put that on first. And then I'm going to go over with a liner, and I'm going to use, that is still not sharpened. Wow. Wow. Okay, then I'm going to use this Maybelline, this is the eyeliner in Cinnabar to line my lips. I'm gonna apply some mascara. And some eyeliner. I'm just gonna use brown liner. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with the Fenty Beauty highlighter, because that is my, you know what, for inner corner highlight. And then that is it. Okay, so this is the finished look and I love it. I really hope some of y'all create it while, you know, the ones watching this that's going to school. Shoot, if you're going to work, shoot, wherever you going and you want to recreate this look, feel free to recreate it. Feel free to tag me in it and follow me on all my social channels. I will have them linked somewhere down below. And that's really all I have for this video. Everybody have a fabulous school year. Okay, fabulous. Go learn something. Go get something learned to you. And that's all I have. So as always, I'm your girl Tiffany, and I will see you in my next video.